How to use Snapchat AI chatbot. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into Snapchat's AI chatbots for 2024. It's smarter, faster and packed with some cool new features. So let's explore how to use it and few tips to make the most of it. First thing first, Snapchat AI is your personal assistant built right into the app. It can help with things like snapping quick replies, finding local events, planning your day, or even brainstorming creative ideas for your stories. Think of it as your chat buddy but smarter. To access the chatbot, open Snapchat and swipe right to your chats. Look for the AI bot, it's usually pinned at the top or near the top of your chat list. Tap it and you are ready to start chatting. Snapchat has upgraded its AI for 2024. Here are the new features you should know. Story suggestions. The bot now suggests ideas for your Snapchat stories based on your interest. Next, enhanced recommendation. It can recommend filters, lenses, and even trending AR effect. Next, real-time translations. Chat in different languages and get instant translations. Cool, right? And that's a wrap. Snapchat AI is a fun and helpful tool for 2024. Whether you are creating content, planning your day, or just looking for a laugh, it's got you covered. So if you found this video helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and we will see you again in the next video.